13 Best Essential Oils to Tighten Skin. Number 1. Frankincense Essential Oil. Frankincense essential oil has been used for a long time in Ayurvedic medicinal traditions, and it continues to be used as a natural therapy for edema, skin tightening, and other conditions. This essential oil has also been used by some people as a treatment for blood stagnation. This has the effect of allowing for greater blood flow, which in turn improves the health of skin cells. This essential oil has a wide range of benefits for the skin, including the ability to replace dead skin cells, which is an important factor in skin aging. There is also some evidence of how this oil assists in tissue remodeling, which is the process of reorganizing the cells that are already present in the tissue. This is yet another method by which the skin can be healed and its elasticity restored. Before we proceed, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. If you find our videos helpful, please support us by becoming our patron. Number 2. Geranium Essential Oil. The essential oil of geranium is an antioxidant that is beneficial to the skin. It has the ability to speed up the healing process for wounds, which enables the skin to heal from scars and blackheads more quickly. Geranium oil can also increase the amount of water and collagen in your skin, which helps it stay healthier and tighter as you age. Because geranium immediately repairs collagen in the skin, skin cells are able to maintain their rigidity. As a result, the appearance of the skin becomes more toned. Number 3. Jasmine Essential Oil. When it comes to making improvements to your skin's appearance, jasmine essential oil is a fantastic remedy. Not only does jasmine oil help fade scars and wrinkles, but it also helps keep the skin flexible. Also, this essential oil has been linked to the growth of blood vessels in your skin. More blood flow leads to fewer acne breakouts and better-looking skin. Improved blood circulation makes it possible for the cell growth that is required to produce collagen, which makes the skin firmer and more flexible. Number 4. Rosemary Essential Oil. The unique quality of rosemary essential oil is that it works well on a variety of skin types. It also helps clean the skin and speeds up the production of collagen. When applied to dry and aged skin, rosemary oil is one of the most effective ways to improve the skin's suppleness because of the moisture it delivers. Because of the rejuvenating effects it has on the skin, this additional moisture can prove to be the secret behind your skin's youthful appearance. Number 5. Neroli Essential Oil. There is a lot to say about neroli essential oil and the wonderful properties that are connected to it. This essential oil, which is also known as orange blossom oil, can help reduce the severity of breakouts and irritation. The regeneration of dead skin cells with the help of neroli oil ensures that your skin won't lose its flexibility over time. Your skin's suppleness can be restored because of the several amazing characteristics of this essential oil. Number 6. Helichrysum Essential Oil. Because of its rich and opulent aroma, Helichrysum Essential Oil continues to be a fan favorite. This essential oil does not only have a delightfully pleasant aroma, but it also has the ability to aid in the speedy and scar-free healing of cuts and scrapes. When it comes to evening out irregularities on the skin like wrinkles and fine lines, Helichrysum Essential Oil can come in handy for tightening the skin and helping to balance things out. The application of this essential oil stimulates the production of elastin as well as collagen, resulting in skin that is both healthier and more elastic. Number 7. Cypress Essential Oil. Cypress essential oil comes from very old trees. Indeed, it was already in use by the time the Greeks and Egyptians ruled their respective regions. When applied to the skin, this essential oil helps to remove dirt and oil, leaving the complexion more even. It can also give your skin a youthful firmness by helping your skin contract, which can result in the smoothing out of wrinkles and the tightening of the skin. Number 8. Sandalwood Essential Oil. Sandalwood essential oil has many applications, but one of the most well-known is aromatherapy. According to research, this oil encourages the growth and renewal of skin cells. The moisturizing effects of this essential oil help the skin retain its flexibility and is the source of its curative potential. As an added bonus, it may help reduce skin irritation, making for a more conducive healing environment. This reparative quality ensures that the skin retains its vitality and youthful appearance. Number 9. Grapefruit Essential Oil. The essential oil of grapefruit helps increase blood circulation in your skin. As a consequence of this, a greater volume of blood rushes to the surface of the skin, which in turn supplies a greater quantity of vitamins and nutrients to all of the layers of the skin. This encourages the production of new skin cells in a more rapid and effective manner. As a person's fat cells multiply in the skin, they begin to press against the surface of the skin. Because of this, an uneven surface or dimpling is produced, which is commonly known as cellulite. This condition, although completely harmless, can dramatically distort the shape of your facial skin. Grapefruit oil is considered to be one of the best essential oils, to be utilized most frequently to assist in reducing the visibility of cellulite. Number 10. Coffee Essential Oil. The coffee essential oil contains a trace quantity of caffeine, which has been shown to provide amazingly firming effects on the skin. The use of coffee oil also has the ability to enhance blood circulation in the skin. Your skin is able to absorb more nutrients and vitamins when there is an increase in the blood flow to the surface of your skin. This also encourages the regeneration of fresh, young, and healthy skin cells, which helps your skin maintain its youthful appearance. What is the result? The skin gives the appearance of being firm and elastic. Additionally, the improved blood circulation gives your skin a healthy glow and vibrance. Number 11. Cinnamon Essential Oil. Collagen provides elasticity and strength to the skin, in addition to assisting in the prevention of our skin from sagging and from the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. The breakdown of collagen in the skin results in the skin becoming more fragile and loose, and is considered to be the root cause of wrinkles. According to studies, the essential oil of cinnamon helps stimulate the formation and synthesis of collagen, in addition to making it flexible and firm. Therefore, it can be used confidently for tightened and perfectly moisturized skin. Number 12. Lavender Essential Oil. The essential oil of lavender contains antioxidants that help protect the skin from oxidative stress due to free radicals. Lavender oil has been shown to increase blood flow to the skin, which in turn enables more oxygen and nutrients to reach the skin for the purposes of healing. In addition to this, it assists in the replacement of dead skin cells with new ones, which results in a more luminous complexion and a smoother skin texture. Number 13. Rose Essential Oil. Rose oil packs a punch when it comes to its anti-aging benefits. Because it acts as both an antioxidant and an anti-inflammatory, it can help reduce the appearance of redness, puffiness, and strained skin. Rose essential oil is known to enhance blood circulation, which in turn helps the skin appear more supple and imparts a rosy glow to the overall face. In addition to this, it helps to keep the skin moist, which serves to reduce the appearance of aging effects on the skin, such as wrinkles and fine lines. Thank you for watching and subscribing to the channel. See you in the next video.